Hello everyone and welcome to our educational YouTube channel Kaizen Step. Today we will discuss Six Sigma DMAIC methodology. Six Sigma is a proven business strategy, structured according to the DMAIC phases, to measure, analyze, and improve the performance in terms of operational excellence. The methodology, thanks to a wide range of qualitative and quantitative tools, aims to optimize the manufacturing and transactional processes through reduction of their variability. There are 5 stages in the DMAIC approach: define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Let us see each step separately. In define phase, problem identified using some tools will be covered in our next videos. In measure phase, we perform measurements and data collection. In analyze phase, we make data interpretation and root causes analysis. In improve phase, in this phase generation and implementation of corrective actions is carried out. In control phase, we will monitor our optimized process. Here we are finish our video. If you interested in our content, please make share and hit like. And subscribe our channel to get updates and be connected.